From last 4 months, I have been trying to get clients on Fiverr. Everything was new to me. I started with learning Figma, then I designed 4 or 5 user interfaces, in short UI for web and mobile. I uploaded my first 2 gigs with them, but I didn't get orders. At some point I understand that if I want to freelance as a UX UI designer, it will take time. As it was my beginning in designing, so I decided to explore more. And I came to know about motion design. And then I started digging into After Effects, which I totally in love with. It has so much potential. We can bring our imagination to the world, and I love to experiment more than applying rules. So fast forward. I made 2 or 3 short videos and uploaded one of them on Fiverr. After that, within a month, I got an order for a short video. As it was my first client, I honestly didn't know. After talking with the clients, we need to create an offer, then proceed further. But I got lucky enough. My client was so genuine. At the first, he sent me the required images and video clips. And also I delivered the final video. Then also, later he explained me, if I want to be charged, then firstly I need to create an offer, then only I should begin the process. I thanked him a lot. Then for the sake of Fiverr, I created the offer and delivered the video again. And finally I got my $7.11. Here you can see, as I said, my client already sent me the required images and video clips before placing order. So here he writes sent you, and yeah, here is a review written by my buyer. I was literally so happy. It was happening for the first time. Yeah, you got the point, right? Okay, if you have any query about Fiverr or anything, just comment down or send me a message on my Instagram. I will definitely reply you and help you out. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna share tutorials of After Effects so you can also learn and later earn through it. Alright, thank you for being here. Bye. See you soon.